Sun Salutation A, a complete guide to warm up, strengthen, and energize your body. Sun Salutation A, or Surya Namaskar A, is a flowing sequence of yoga poses that acts as a powerful warm-up for the body, enhances flexibility, and bridges the movement with mindful breathing. It serves as a foundation in yoga practice, helping you build strength and mobility while fostering mental focus. This tutorial will guide you step by step through each pose to ensure proper technique, alignment, and breath awareness. Sun Salutation A consists of the following poses: Tadasana, mountain pose; Urdhva Hastasana, upward salute; Uttanasana, standing forward fold; Ardha Uttanasana, halfway lift; Chaturanga Dandasana, four-limbed staff pose; Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, upward facing dog; Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog. Transition back to standing, forward fold to upward salute. Each pose is purposefully linked to create a full-body experience, promoting a balance of strength, stretch, and breath control. 1. Tadasana, mountain pose. Start at the top of your mat, feet together or hip-width apart. Engage the thighs, lift the chest, and lengthen the spine. This foundational pose promotes grounding and prepares you for the flow. 2. Urdhva Hastasana, upward salute. Inhale and sweep your arms overhead, reaching through the fingertips. Keep your shoulders relaxed and chest open for a gentle stretch across the upper body. 3. Uttanasana, standing forward fold. Exhale, fold forward at the hips, letting your head and neck relax. Modify with a slight knee bend if needed to avoid strain on the hamstrings. 4. Ardha Uttanasana, halfway lift. Inhale and lift your torso halfway, creating a flat back. This movement awakens the spine and builds postural strength. 5. Chaturanga Dandasana, four-limbed staff pose. Exhale, step back to a high plank, then lower halfway. Drop to your knees if necessary to avoid strain. 6. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, upward facing dog. Inhale, straighten your arms and lift your heart. This pose opens the chest and strengthens the back. 7. Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog. Exhale, press your hips upward to form an inverted V. Hold for 3, 5 breaths, focusing on lengthening your spine and deepening the stretch in your legs. 8. Transition back to standing. Step or hop forward, lift halfway, and fold. Finish by sweeping your arms upward and returning to Tadasana. Build strength and flexibility. The sequence stretches and strengthens major muscle groups. Improves breath awareness, synchronizing breath with motion, fosters mindfulness. Boosts circulation and warmth. Repetition generates heat, preparing your body for deeper poses. Focus on alignment, prioritize form to prevent injuries, and maximize benefits. Modify as needed. Use blocks or drop your knees for challenging poses. Synchronize breath with movement. Let each inhale and exhale guide your flow. By practicing Sun Salutation A regularly, you can enhance your physical and mental well-being while strengthening your yoga practice foundations.